Welcome to Tuesday training. Today we're going to look at how to configure the automated communications that can go out of StoneSpot. These are available in the Customer Journey Power-Up. So if you have the Customer Journey Power-Up, you'll find it in the Power-Ups. If you've already purchased it, it's going to be under the Subscribed section. So once you come here, this is where you're going to do all the configuring. There's 3 different power-ups that are included in this bundle. The customer care is the one that goes out immediately, kind of like an order confirmation, and gives them a link to the dashboard. The review ramp-up is the one that goes out when you upload a final picture and request a review. You can pause either of these right here on the screen, but both of them are configured here as well. I'm going to just work on configuring the communication automation because these other 2 are very much similar to that. So to configure the communication automation, you click. You're able to set up as many automated emails or texts to go out of the system as you want right here. You can see I have 4 already scheduled. These I can edit, pause, or delete right here. So to create a new one, we're going to hit the Create New Automation button. You can give it a name. You can call that whatever you'd like there. I'm going to just skip. You can give it a description to help you remember what happens in this automation. And then you're going to select the trigger. So this is either the orders moving into a production bucket. That's what's going to trigger this email to automatically go out, or this text. All the Stone orders on a master order have been received. That's another trigger. A tag is added to an order, or a tag is removed from an order. We'll pick this one to start with. And then it's going to ask me which production state is going to, which bucket this is going to go into that will trigger the communication. So you can see on this account, they have the CRM, so their quotes buckets are there, and their orders buckets are here. So maybe we'll do ready for delivery. Now I can narrow this down even further, so it's not every order that goes into ready for delivery gets this, but every order that goes into ready for delivery and where the client type is retail, for example, as opposed to wholesale. And I can continue to add limiters or things that narrow it down by choosing more and more things from this list. So maybe the order also has to have a certain tag. If I want this email to go out, and here's the list of all my tags. So there's a lot that you can do to narrow it down. If you don't want one of those narrowed down things, you can use these delete garbage can buttons on the right. So once I know all the triggers, all the conditions that need to be met for this to go out, then I'm going to choose my action. So for this one, I'm going to send an email. Now my email editor will pop up here, and you can use placeholders to make this email, of course, something that can be customized based on the order. So for example, here it says hello, and this is a placeholder, recipient name. So it will fill in the collaborator name right there. Your order has moved to the production step of production status. So there's another one. Thank you, organization name. You can use your location name. There's all kinds of different placeholders here. You'll see this long list that you can choose from when you're setting up this email. You can also copy and paste links to videos and other things in here to make this a very complete, interactive, fun email for them to get. The placeholders that are related to the email subject are found right here. So placeholders for the body of the email are here. Placeholders for the subject are here. We could also initiate a text to go out at the same time. And here's where I would build up my text with the different placeholders that I can put into those as well. Once I'm done, I will save my automation by hitting Create Automation. And from that point on, these automated texts, emails, or internal notifications will be sent when all of the triggers are met that we have set up here. So really easy to get these started. They're a one and done situation. You get them all set up, and then StoneSpot will keep your customers up to date.